Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Just checking out Dogecoin here on the daily time frame. Before we begin, please go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. Deposit $1,000 and trade to receive a $300 bonus instantly. Really great deal that I've took advantage of in the past. Definitely go down there and secure your bonus today. It's going to be really useful for probably trading some of these crazy price conditions that we're having over the past week or so. You can see really bad chop for Dogecoin recently. Yesterday looking like we were going to get that bounce, and then lo and behold, Bitcoin doing its absolute best to destroy the altcoin market as always. You can see recently, despite the fact that Bitcoin did this and then absolutely mooned to a new all-time high, Dogecoin only made a back up around 50% of this move before getting rejected. And you can see here lots of crazy chop. Just bad price action, I would say, for Dogecoin here. You can see we actually came up and closed above this daily fair value gap here, which told me that we were actually bullish and that we were going to be moving up probably towards this high. But as you can see, we've come back down into this fair value gap again here and getting rejected in this area once again, coming down, coming back up, and then coming down again. Bitcoin doing its best to completely destroy the altcoin market, as I've been saying. Bitcoin in this cycle has done nothing but bleed the altcoin market to death at every opportunity. You can see Bitcoin here only having a small retrace really of around what we're looking at 3k or something after having a huge bullish move, and the only thing the altcoin market cares about is the fact that Bitcoin's dropping down again. You can see we've basically just been chopping around here whilst Bitcoin's been at this all-time high. We never got the big move to the upside that Bitcoin had, and now altcoins looking like that, pretty much all of them starting to fully retrace the bounce that we've had for altcoins just because Bitcoin's coming down today, which is pretty incredible. As you can see, quite an interesting buy-in here for soon. This is something that I've been averaging into, thinking that it's probably going to bounce at some point. I do like these cryptos that are really sold off like this. They do have the potential to bounce up at any point. But right now you can see Bitcoin doing its absolute best to destroy the altcoin market. As I said, probably going to come down again here. If we close it below this daily fair value gap, we're going to retrace. All of our altcoins are going to come back down. Dogecoin probably come back down to this support level here again. Right now this price action is just bad. There's no other way to talk about it really. Bad PA. And we're waiting for this to clean up really. Bitcoin right now doing its best, as I said, to destroy the altcoin market and dump everything down at every given opportunity, and they are just not reaping the rewards of Bitcoin pumping up. So altcoins really underperforming in this cycle. We're waiting for them to wake up still, to be honest. Let's see if we can get that going into December. As always, thanks a lot for watching guys. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.